Hey everyone, crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for unique and bohemian touch to add your home's decor? Well, you are in the right place. Today I explore the world of macrame hangings and I am excited to share some stunning design ideas with you. From simple to intricate, I will cover it all, so let's get started. Macrame is an Asian textile produced using knotting techniques. It's versatile craft that can be used to create a wide range of items from wall hanging to plant holders. And the best part, it's relatively easy to learn. Let's dive into some inspiring design ideas for your home decor. From geometric patterns to nature inspired motifs, there's something for everyone. Here are a few of my favorites. Want to add a personal touch to your macrame hangings? Try experimenting with different cold colors and textures and beads. You can also incorporate other materials like shells, wood, or even recycled material. Now that you have created your beautiful macrame hangings, it's time to display it proudly. Here are some ideas for incorporating your piece into your home decor. That's it for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to try your hand and macrame. Remember, the beauty of macrame lies in its versatility. So don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.